All right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the Packers Jersey Choice. This is number 3. This is the mini. So we'll check the time, May 12th at 5:07 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have May 12th at 5:07 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. Looking for the top 2. It's Eric and Alan. So, Eric, you will get the first pick of 3. Alan, you will have the remaining 2. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 12th, 5:08 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.